Hey everyone, Moshe the Electric Israeli. I totally lost my voice, but it's important for me to do this video for you. A couple of days ago, Tesla charging on X posted this. Let me share it with you. This is very upsetting. This is outrageous. This is fascist. This is fascism. Okay, look at this. Look at this post. The New Jersey Turnpike Authority has chosen to a sole third-party charging provider to serve the New Jersey Turnpike, and is not allowing us, meaning Tesla, to co-locate. As a result, New Jersey Turnpike Authority requests that 64 existing Supercharger stall on the New Jersey Turnpike to not be renewed and be decommissioned, meaning to remove them. We have been preparing for 3 years to this potential outcome by building 160 stalls off the New Jersey Turnpike. Great, ensuring no interruption to our customers. The map below, I'm going to show you in a minute. The map below outlines the existing replacement Superchargers and tree planner we adjust automatically. So here is the New Jersey Turnpike and all the alternative Supercharger. Let me read you this paragraph because it's important. We offer the New Jersey Turnpike Authority above market commercial terms, including offering to upgrade such as screen and NACS with CCS1 magic ducts. Tesla always advocates for more infrastructure in co-location with additional third-party charging providers. This drives down the cost through optionally and accelerates EV adoption by having sufficient capacity to shoulder peaks. We expect that 30 times more fast charging capability is needed to get full EV adoption. New Jersey Turnpike Authority decision to remove rather than add critical charging infrastructure is a setback for New Jersey's EV adoption goals and 100% zero-emission new car sales by 2035. It removes Turnpike access to the most reliable 99.9% uptime, least congestion, okay, and cost-effective 30% lower per kilowatt hour, dollars per kilowatt hour. We are still willing to invest in New Jersey Turnpike sites if New Jersey Turnpike or Governor Murphy, may he go to hell by the way, want to reverse this decision. Otherwise, we will continue to build out our best possible infrastructure of the Turnpike to serve the Del Val Tesla and the EV driver of New Jersey. This post so far got 1.8 million views, 10,000 comments, and 1,700 retweets. I commented on it. You don't want to know what I commented. I posted. The reason why I bought a Tesla in 2018 is because of the supercharging. Now, it's nice to have. I had a Nissan Leaf with 85 miles for a few years. I drove it to work, to the supermarket and home. I could never take it any way out because it didn't have enough range and there was no infrastructure. Okay? And what Tesla did in the United States, in Canada, Mexico, Europe, Middle East, China, all over the world where they sell cars is mind-boggling. The superchargers are good, reliable, they work all the time, they're quick. Even if the supercharger is full, you don't wait more than 5 minutes. It happened to me many, many times. This is outrageous. Outrageous. First of all, everybody in America, all car manufacturers in America, are already allowed to use the superchargers. Many of them, like Subaru, like Lucid, and many others, are adapting the port, the charge port, not the CCS, the charge port like Tesla has, and those who don't have it, Tesla has ducts, and you can see it on the map to enable others to. This is vindictiveness. This is politics. We all know that because they don't like Elon Musk and what he stands for and all that fucking bullshit. And excuse my language. I try never to curse on this channel, because maybe young people are watching it. But this is outrageous. This is, I hope there's going to be a governor election. I hope the Democrats lose. The Democrats, who's supposed to be all for EVs and clear air and clean this and clean, this is vindictive. This is spite. This is politics, because they don't like Elon Musk and he supports Trump and all that, and they won't show. Now, nobody is using the fast charging of other companies because they don't work. They suck. You have to press 10,000 buttons. You have to sign up. You have to this. You have to that. The Tesla Supercharger is very easy. Take the plug, put it in, go have coffee, go to the bathroom, come, you're ready to go. I'm going to take a trip to Florida in 3 weeks with my wife from New Jersey. I do it every year, at least sometimes twice a year. First of all, thank God that next year I'm retiring from my work and I'm moving to Florida, so I don't have to deal with this absolute bullshit of this stupid fascist state who does shit like this. This is horrible. This is terrible. No, and nobody uses the others. I go to superchargers all the time. And there are Tesla chargers. There are slow chargers, people who want to park and stay for a few hours, which is fine. And there are what we call non-Tesla fast chargers. They're bulky, big kahunas. Nobody uses them. Everybody, not only Teslas, everybody, all kinds of cars, Fords and Nissans, everybody is using the superchargers. They're good, they're available, and they work. So you want to give it to a third party? I never heard of that company. I forgot its name, doesn't matter. I never heard of them. But what's the difference, you morons, you stupid? Why do that? Why vindictiveness? Okay, Democrats, and I voted Democrats for 20 years. They lost me, I didn't lose them. They lost because I like many of the good ideas of the past. You became woke and stupid. You lost this election. Continue to do this. You lose every election. New Jersey is a Democratic state, but we did have a Republican governor for 2 terms, Fat Chris Christie. Okay? You do this, you will lose. This is how you lose elections, by being stupid. So here's what I suggest to you motorists. Don't use the New Jersey Turnpike. I'm going to go to Florida. I'm going to take 295. It's parallel. Don't give them your toll money. Do not boycott New Jersey Turnpike. They are awful. The governor is awful. This is all vindictiveness. They better change this decision. Otherwise, they will suffer more than they know. Thank you, guys.